Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make green tea powder at home, easy method. Begin by selecting fresh, pesticide-free green tea leaves and remove any stems. Dry leaves completely using low heat or air drying to prevent bitterness. Once crisp, grind in short bursts in a spice grinder to avoid overheating. Sift the powder and regrind coarse bits for a silky texture. Store in an airtight container away from light and moisture. Dry leaves thoroughly before grinding to prevent clumping and mold. Spread leaves in a single layer and dry at low oven temperature or in a dehydrator until they snap easily. Cool the dried leaves fully before handling to keep oils intact. Check for any damp spots and continue drying if needed to ensure a uniform crispness. Proper drying preserves flavor and yields a fine, dust-like powder when ground. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers make storing green tea powder easy and tidy, and they prevent spills when you reach for a teaspoon. They stack neatly and keep moisture out, which is perfect for preserving flavor. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Grind dried leaves in a dedicated spice grinder to avoid cross-contamination of flavors. Pulse briefly and shake the grinder between sessions to promote even milling without heating the leaves. Sift the resulting powder through a fine mesh and return coarse pieces for a second grind to reach a consistent texture. Avoid overgrinding, which can generate heat and dull flavor. Transfer to an airtight jar as soon as possible to lock in freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.